Hi there, my name's Tim Cooper. I'm a Principal Applications Engineer at Semtech. So as electronic design engineers, we can all make mistakes, be it from the bill of materials to missing a netlist connection in a schematic. At some point we could all have benefited from having another pair of eyes to review our design. And this is doubly complicated when we start talking about radio designs, such as this little core cell gateway here, because they start to incorporate things like transmission lines, harmonic filtering. You might want to include technologies such as GNSS in there. So at Semtech, what we want to do is give you a PCB Design Review Service. The idea is then that you send us your design before you prototype it, and we'll take a look at the whole thing. So we'll properly review the radio portion of your design, but we'll also look as well at how it fits with other elements within your system as well, to see if potentially things like supplies might cause a problem for your radio design, and make sure you just don't fall into any of the really common design pitfalls that we see LoRa radio users falling into. We also understand that there isn't always room for a copy and paste of the reference design. And if you have a miniaturized design that's really space constrained, then we can at least help you reduce and mitigate some of that risk by giving you some design guidance. So here's an example of the kind of thing we're talking about. Here we have an SX1261 based design, and the customer had missed out this part, which is an RF filter which comes after an RF switch. And here you can see they've got a very space constrained design, and they haven't got room for the filter after the RF switch. And so we were able to do two things. We were able to add enough filtering before the RF switch that they'll be able to pass the harmonic regulations, and also present another component there that they could remove potentially in their space constrained design. So the benefits of this are hopefully obvious in terms of lowering the design risk and getting your design right first time, and reducing the probability of having more design respins. So yeah, if you have a LoRa design that's destined for mass production, then I look forward to receiving your design. Thanks for listening.